So what's going to
Not
happen
bad.
there?
Short to medium term, nothing much. The real effects start in 3 to 5 years when you start building your diversionary works. Storage and diversion. Storage will take longer. Diversion. So basically, the option we're giving them is die quickly, airstrikes now, और तुम्हें घुट घुट के मरेंगे अगले 5-10 साल में.
I mean, I hate to say this. मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ. I was talking to some guy in Sindh, my contact, and this guy tells me, sir, इन लोगों ने आपके 27 मारे, आप इस सीजन में हमारे 27 लाख के ऊपर आपने निशाना बना दिया.
सच बात तो है. मरे साले, मेरे को क्या लेना देना.
He said that very clearly. He said, आप पता नहीं है आपने किया क्या है, 27 लाख लोग पे आपने निशाना बना दिया. पाकिस्तान ने तो आपके 27 मारे हैं सिर्फ. This is what he said.
आज 27 मारे हैं. पिछले 70 साल में कितने मारे हैं?
I said that to him. I mean, I'm just putting out one part of the conversation.
Yeah.
But this is what he said. He said, हमारे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, हम तो मर जाएंगे यहाँ पर. But moving
Now,
on, मेरे को एक चीज आपसे पूछनी है. Why isn't there a PIL in the Supreme Court against Indus Water Treaty being put in, suspended?
लिबरलों की कितनी गांड फटी पड़ी हुई है, देखा है तुमने? सब चुपचाप है. यही सब अमन के आशा अमन की तमाशा रंडियां थी ना. चुप है एकदम. Have you noticed?
नहीं, Sagarika is talking यार. I mean, come on. और Abhijit is talking and Sagarika is with me. I'm a little
Sagarika is
confused.
on meds. Let's talk about somebody serious, not some bipolar individual who's on schizophrenia medication. I'm talking about someone serious.
Yeah.
Okay. None of these clowns are opening their mouth.
Nope.
Have you noticed this time all the Aman ki tamasha types are these second rate? वो कोई वर्मा था, रोडीज या बिग बॉस वाला चुतिया. Then there was one more guy, some क्या दिखाता हूँ तेरे को. क्या है इसका नाम? I'll tell you. He's the CEO of some shit.
Really? वाह, मतलब आजकल बड़े हाई लेवल के लोगों का मेल्टडाउन होता है. हाँ.
Girl dad, co-founder in chief of We Are Yuva, creator and host of Be a Man Yaar, board of Girl Rising, writer, producer, teacher, he him डालने से ही पता चल जाता है ये कोई लौड़ा है. और लिखा है इस हरामजादे ने, there is a video of a child who lost his father being asked questions by the media with 100 microphones in front of him. There is no such video of any questions being posed to those who were accountable for the safety of our citizens. This, in a nutshell, is the state of the Indian media today, where a grieving child is asked more questions than those in power.
I must say that kid had his head on his shoulders, man.
What a kid. What a kid. So, dedicated to all the Librandus who have been defeated this time, who dare not open their mouths this time because the anger is more, मैं इन्हीं लोगों के नाम पे एक शायरी सुनाना चाहता हूँ. आपने तो वो सुन ही लिया मेरा शायरी.
हाँ.
दूर गांव में एक बस्ती थी जहां रंडियां सस्ती थी. उनके गांड में इतनी मस्ती थी कि जितना डालो उतना हंसती थी. आप भी बहुत हंसते हो, उसी गांव के लगते हो. वाह 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 वाह. हरामजादों सब वाह वाह करो.
वाह वाह वाह. नहीं, बहुत सारे वाह वाह हैं. There's 7,000 people, so वाह वाह हो रहा है. I'm sure.
Excellent.
अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज बताओ. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे आपका क्या कहना है? आपके कुछ प्यारे प्यारे शब्द निकालिए, बिकॉज हम तो परेशान हो गए हैं भाई. एंड आज गवर्नमेंट ने वैसे भी, whatever said and done, the government has come out and really given a slap today. थप्पड़ मारा है जोर से.
जोर से मारा है. They've called up a contempt against Nishikant Dubey now. Just full disclosure, Nishikant Dubey is a dear friend of mine.
I love to
But
hear it.
they've called up a contempt, and I've been telling Nishikant he needs to tell his leadership to haul up Supreme Court judges for contempt of Parliament.
Yeah,
Because remember, Parliament can, without trial, send a Supreme Court judge to jail for 1 year for contempt of Parliament. It's not something that's been done. It can be done.
should be
In
done.
case of the Tamil Nadu judgment, it is actually asking to be done.
Yep.
You could
You and
also
I
see that particular judgment as armed insurrection against the Indian state,
Yeah,
which would entail a charge of treason. But ghabrao mat. NJAC aa raha hai फिर से in a much toothier form.
acha.
Oh yeah.
When you and I spoke, you said NJAC. Now you're saying it's going to be NJAC plus plus plus.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's going to be interesting. तो
Yes.
मोदी साहब ने तलवार निकाल लिया मतलब इस बारी.
The government has had enough.
So you think anything will happen with Momata Didi? Your favorite?
Not till the judicial reforms happen. Because the path to both Stalin in Tamil Nadu and Mamata in Bengal is the Supreme Court.
Correct.
You go after them, the Supreme Court will stall it. So you have to go after the Supreme Court first for something lasting to happen in Bengal and Tamil Nadu.
Basically, you're saying it's all politics, nothing else. You got to
Yeah.
play this political game too.
You do.
Fair enough. But you know, you got Bengali blood, right? And a lot of Bengalis have told me one thing that, sir, whatever said and done, अक्टूबर पूजा से पहले प्रेसिडेंट रूल मत लगाना, गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. पूजा के बाद जो मर्जी करो सब, we will support. Now I'm not able to.
अरे अगर अभी प्रेसिडेंट रूल नहीं लगा तो अक्टूबर में शायद दुर्गा पूजा हो ही ना. समझ रहे हो ना? Not till you don't hold back till October Durga Puja. If you want Durga Puja to be celebrated this year, do it now.